In this episode, we visit some lobster farms, I cook a lobster Nasi Goreng, and we go to some gorgeous waterfalls. Can't wait to show you. We are at Bay of Fires Lobster in St. Helens. Come and check it out.
About 2 years ago almost.
Yep.
We were selling direct off the boat. Tourism loved it, and this place came up for expressions of interest, and we applied for that. So installed some live lobster tanks which we'll have a look at, and we cook our lobster here. Traditional boil has the fisherman kerfuffle. In the salt water, that's yes. Troy's a third generation fish.
Wow. We don't leave wild caught seafood, that's what we're referring to as much. Really? Get it out there that wild caught seafood is the way to go.
100%. Wild caught's awesome. Your live lobster to take home and cook. I don't really want to do anything, but look at these bad boys. They're so fresh and I'm so excited. With the steam, look at this one. How big is that, Troy?
He'd be over 2 kilos in weight there.
Oh my goodness.
5 kilos. The Maskies are really big crows.
Yeah, okay. So he's not even a really big one.
No, not at all.
But he looks big. Oh, wow. And that, look at the tailsy. That's just what dreams are made of.
Our on me tank is 6 sections.
Wow. Oh, there's a lot of lobster in here. So these are the crab pots.
Yes. These are our pots set. This is not here, this is an addition that you made.
That's a cute little table.
It is, and it's just a whiskey barrel lid. But yeah, this is your tea tray, so it's when it's steamed, it's bent, and then you bend your wires between it. And then, yeah, they're quite heavy. And then underneath, you have your steel bottom.
Oh, it's steel. Wow.
So the steel helps it stay still so it doesn't ruin the bottom of the ocean.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so it won't slide along and wreck any of the vegetation and that around it.
Yep.
So do you make these yourselves?
No, we do. Some of them they do make themselves. Mostly we just get them made by a gentleman out at Pine Data.
And what sort of cost of what are they?
They're around $240 for the commercials because they're a bit bigger.
Okay.
But your recreational pot's around 130 to 140.
And how many of them would you be able to put on the boat?
So 50 is your maximum in Tasmania. But they kept. So, and then you've got your quota. So usually you have your quota entitlement, which is how much you're allowed to catch. But yeah, only 50 cots per boat match.
So when you drop that over the side, like what, hey, you got a rope?
Yeah, so you have a rope and a buoy. So you usually have a rope that's spliced onto here, and then you'll tie that onto another rope, which is attached to a buoy. Yep. They're all single shots, so they're not tethered together.
Okay.
And are they the ones that have like an orange foil on them? I see a lot of fish throw an orange foil.
Yeah, a lot of fishermen have your white one and then your orange one. So they throw the grapple in between the two buoys to easier to wind it in.
Okay, right. Do they take a bit of liquid?
You have a pot holder. Hydraulic.
Okay. You need it. You need a Popeye otherwise.
They still carry them up the deck of the boat to stack them, but yes, not something I'd like to do. No.
And how many lobsters would you get in each pot, you reckon?
It's hard to say. So down south, where there's an abundance of small ones, you get over 100 in a pot.
Oh.
Yeah, but they're not going to be ones that you can beat.
Yeah.
On the northeast, the fish aren't as abundant.
Yep.
So probably get maximum 7 a pot. Yeah. So.
Oh, that's
They usually have 2 sets of bait. So you have a bait saver, which is like a little plastic one that sits in the neck. And then you'll have a skewer, which they put heads on. Yeah, and that goes in from the side.
What does it go through like on a shaft or something?
No, they just stab it into the neck of the pot.
Okay.
And there's all regulations on the size of your neck and your escape catch, which is around this side, of course.
Oh yeah, for your little ones.
Yeah, so you have an escape catch on the side. Oh yeah. So as soon as you start to pour your pot, all the little ones will just float.
Oh, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah, so you're not upsetting and measured.
Yeah, right. Oh, amazing. So in here, there's the fresh sports that Chrissy Lee was talking about. So we can get, and they're fresh frozen, but look at the range in here. So, like, you've actually got a really good range of things that you can get here. There's the calamari. Yeah, Elliot, where you going? The picky, can I please order one lobster roll? I can't leave this out.
Oh, like this. Got a lot.
Okay, this bad boy out. Fine, and go straight in. On in. That is so fresh.
What do you think?
It's so tasty. It's really fresh. And chockers full of lobster.
Scrumdiddly yum yum.
It's yum. I don't want to share it with Dean now. You can actually come out from Bay of Fires Lobster and grab some at least 65 oysters from just over there in the bay. But these guys have them here, and I'm just going to have some. There's this bench out here on the water. Like, how cool is this?
I know, it's great. So this bench actually has a purpose too. So local family have just started Bay of Fires Eco Tours.
Yeah.
So they can take you for guided walks out through the Bay of Fires, and then you come back here to Bay of Fires Lobster, and Daisy will shuck oysters for you, do mussels, pippies, lots of different yummy things, and a nice glass of bubbles.
That's my perfect day out. And when we were talking before, you were talking about waste and sustainability with the business. Like, how do you make it so there's no waste?
Yeah, so with all of our fresh fish, the frames are frozen down and used for bait on the fray boats at the moment. We also have octopus tentacles, which is a bycatch. They eat the lobster.
Oh, right.
They hop in to eat our lobster, so we keep them and eat them.
You definitely don't want them eating yours.
A future project over the back here is a bait and tackle shop, a jandlery. So we're going to be selling bait. So once that's all set up, nothing will go to waste. The oyster shells, the cray frames will be all minced up and turned into a chum so that the local fishermen can use that, and recreational and commercial can use that to catch their local fish.
That is incredible. So you'll even crush up the shells, the oysters.
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so nothing will go, we want to become zero waste, so nothing will go into landfill.
Absolutely love that.
Yes.
All right, cheers. Bottoms up. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Dino, you're going to love these ones.
Nice.
G'day, I'm Ree.
Squizzy, Ree. Nice to meet you.
You too. What a bloody big boat you got here.
It is.
Yeah.
It's the Bolton Tender, 60 foot.
Yeah, wow.
Nearly 80 tonne when she's at sea.
Okay.
At the moment, we've got just short of 2,000 lobsters
Wow.
in the boat. We probably start 4 o'clock in the morning.
Oh, really?
We've got 52 pots at the moment, we set. We'll pull them again. So we start 4 in the morning, do the whole set. We'll probably finish about 10 in the morning. We have a bit of breakfast or sleep for 4 hours. Then we'll start again probably about 1:30, 2 o'clock, and we do it all again. Finish about 7 p.m.
Okay, and how many of you go out?
There's 2 deckhands and me. I try to get out and get wet sometime. I don't. I've had my time at that.
Doing all that? Yeah, the hard yards.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get to drive the boat.
Yeah.
Okay, so what I want to do is show you how much storage we have on the outside of our van. Dean's kind of in charge of all this area. I'm in charge of inside. But when you go to all the lockers and the storage, we did get toolboxes put on the front ourselves. But if you look, we can actually fit quite a lot. So I'm just about to show you what we have in our lockers of our Snowy River. All right, Dino, so this is one of our front lockers. What do you keep stored in there? I actually have no idea because that's your department. Give us a look.
I got all sorts of goodies in here.
Okay, so what have we got?
This
So,
is our ski locker room.
hang on a minute, does that go all the way through?
Goes all the way through over there. So we've got our
Oh, amazing.
ski ropes.
Yeah.
We've got our water skis, our jackets,
Oh, right. Okay, so it fits our water skis lengthways easily.
Yeah, well, there's 1,800 and there's plenty of room in there. So,
Looks like you've still got room that you could put stuff that I want in there. You keep telling me I've got no storage.
this is my area. I've got a couple of fishing rods here.
Oh, awesome.
Not that I'm a fisherman. We've got a bit of tackle gear here.
Yep, and you've put some carpet in there, right, to stop it all sliding
Yeah,
around?
just to try and look after it a little bit more.
Yeah, okay. So
And,
that's
just
it.
so I give myself a haircut every now and then.
Oh, right. Okay, so that's pretty important.
Yeah, so, and there's a little light up there. You can turn it on and off.
Oh, how good is that?
So, yep.
Oh, wow. This is quite educational just for me as well. I didn't even know what he keeps in
You
here.
stay out of here.
What else have we got?
Well, this comes with the van. This is I really like this idea.
Oh, this is like a front locker.
Yeah, so like, and you can put stuff in here that's still a bit wet.
Yeah,
Because it's all lined, and then there's a drain hole on the other side. So if you put a hose in here, there's a bit of water still in it. It'll drain out, which I really like.
you cleaning stuff. What else do you keep in
Got
here?
a couple of sups in there.
A couple of subs.
Couple of sups, yep.
Oh my goodness.
And
That's deeper than I thought.
yeah, so I've got a few of our shade awnings here to the side of it.
Yeah.
Broom.
Is that a light as well?
Yeah, that's another light here. A little bit hard to reach, actually, a little bit short one end. It's because of the toolbox, but that's all good.
Yeah, okay.
So, and you can lock it up. So yeah,
I
let's,
can't believe that. So in that, you're not even filled to the top, and you've got sups, you've got awnings, you've got cleaning stuff for the outside of the van.
yeah,
Oh, amazing.
it's good.
And then we got these toolboxes put on, didn't we?
You never have enough storage.
No. So what do you keep in these guys? Oh, so you've got two-way access, do you?
Yeah, 2-door access, and they're all lockable,
Oh, right.
which is really good.
So that's our mat.
So that's our mat there.
Oh, yeah.
Got a little basket, a little stool, tweaking
Some cooking things.
some cooking things here. I put my jockey wheel in here when we're done, so it's not
Oh, yes,
What
that's
is it?
out of the way.
down the
Perfect.
road.
Locked up. Yeah, well, I mean, our outdoor mat's quite big, so that's quite a bit of space. I do get in trouble a lot for buying too big, too much, too heavy.
And then I've got to work out where to store it.
Exactly. Okay, so we come around here, and then we've got another toolbox.
I had to work out where the generator went.
Okay, so we keep the generator in there.
Generator in here, and then these are just the bags, and I put a little one of them milk crates. They're really handy for putting stuff in. I like it.
Yeah, so
Little
what?
gas burner, electric
Gas-
sleeve. Yeah.
Yeah. And so it looks like you've just got a few tools and stuff in here.
Yeah, so there's still plenty more room left in here, but it's all about weight as well as we know, and you can access that most.
Like I said, he keeps so damn story. Interesting. And then
You can access this from the other side.
oh yeah, so this is where our skis are. So it's got
Yeah, ski boots and whatever. Then I've got the our anti-sway bars. I put them in here.
oh, okay, cool. So there was they go driving, nice and easy to access.
Yeah, so they're easy.
And then under our slide out is more outdoor storage.
This was an extra.
Yeah.
Which when we were talking about ordering it, the bloke at the caravan yard, he said to me, have a think about doing that, and I reckon it was a really good option, eh?
It is a good option. It's good to have that extra storage underneath. So what do you keep in here?
I got all sorts of things. That ends me electrical leads.
Yep.
Yeah, a little clothes rack there and whatever. And then this end here, I've got like these are the ramps where you can drive onto to level it out. Our jacking system there.
Oh, and you also keep our weights in there. They can't keep our weights in there.
So yeah, they go in here.
We've got our Pilates thing in here. We've got some Ugg boots.
All our boots in
Needed
there.
the whole time in Tassie, and then the weights go there. So yeah, still plenty of storage left for me to fill up. Awesome.
It's full.
Oh well, that's good, Dino. Good to know that I can put more stuff in. Thanks.
No worries.
Liffey Falls is one of these magical places that you must see when you're here in Tasmania. You can drive through Deloraine and then you can find it on the highway, and it's just absolutely magnificent. There's cascades of falls. It's about a 40-minute return walk. It's quite an easy walk through the most beautiful ferns and rainforest. It is absolutely magical. It's definitely a must visit when you're here in Tasmania.
the pan, I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 shallot, a bit of ginger and 1 clove of garlic. I'm just going to fry this up before I add the rest of the ingredients. I'm just going to go in now with a teaspoon of chili paste in soybean oil. Soybean oil. Not traditional, but one of my favourite ingredients and adds so much flavour. Also 1 teaspoon of sweet soy and in with the rice. Okay, in with our lobster. And a Nasi Goreng would not be complete without a fried egg on top. All right, so now we'll serve beautiful lobster Nasi Goreng. And I like to serve it with some cucumber on the side and chop it with some spring onion, and then finish it off with a beautiful fried egg. And there you have it, lobster Nasi Goreng my way. Hope you enjoy. That's delicious. You need to give this a try. Lobster's sweet, the chili from the chili oil, the egg. We've got the cucumber, which we can add some freshness. This is beautiful. Thank you for watching Replenish on the Road. I can't wait to show you what we get up to. Please like and subscribe, hit that bell and follow along with our adventures. Cheers!